Hey guys, what's up? Kevin DeBruin, the Fruit Rocket Scientist, coming at you today with a quick, hopefully just 2-minute video on what President Trump's first budget proposal looks like and how NASA fared. So the overall line is $19.1 billion, which is only about 0.5% of the government budget. So don't freak out when you hear 19.1 and think it's a whole lot of money, but it's 0.5% of the government budget. So there's a few things in here that kind of scare some of the scientific community, but it is just the first cut. So the House and the Senate have to weigh in on this, and also Congress has to take a look at it as well. Everyone's got to agree before it comes through. So $19.1 billion is the top line. So from this arm, the asteroid redirect mission would be canceled. That's one of the missions that's going on at NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory and a couple other centers. It's a multi-center effort. That one would be cut in this proposal. Planetary Science stands to get $1.9 billion, which is actually higher than the 2017 Obama and congressional levels. So Planetary Science would go up. Public-private partnerships are endorsed as a foundation of the future U.S. civilian space efforts, but there's no further guidance on that one. The moon versus Mars destination debate isn't mentioned at all, so we don't know if we're going to head to the moon, head to Mars, wherever President Trump kind of directs us to go. Here's one that's really scary, is the Europa Clipper mission will proceed, doesn't give it a specific dollar amount to go on, but there's no separate lander funding specified in this one. So Europa Lander, that's my baby. According to this proposal, it doesn't have a specific line item budget number. Earth Science is getting cut, surprise there. Only $1.8 billion, which is about 13% cut from 2017 from the Obama administration. So that's in between the proposed House and Senate levels. We'll have to see where that fares. Then some Earth Science missions would definitely be canceled with this one. PACE, which isn't yet launched. OCO3, which is like the orbiting carbon observatory, which isn't launched. Discover Earth viewing instruments. No more pretty pictures of Earth. That would be unfortunate. And then Claro, Pathfinder. I'm not familiar with that one, but that's not launched yet. So all of those will be canceled. And then here's a big one that's sticking a thorn in the side of some people right now. Is the Office of Education, which is part of the Science Directorate, would be eliminated. They say it's only to performing functions that are duplicative of other parts of the agency. Now, what I can tell you about that is that at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, the Education Office and Public Outreach would be unaffected by that line item right there because they're separate from the Office of Education. But like I said, this is just the first step in the proposal process of the budget. So President Trump submitted this budget. House and the Senate got to take a look at it. Congress has got to go through it as well, and everyone's got to come on the same page. So don't freak out when you see these levels. Of what I'm hearing about our champions in DC, the Europa Lander, Europa Clipper, and Mars, those are all good and written into the budget. They're being championed, so we don't have to worry about those, is what we're told. So we've got people who are on the inside who are fighting for NASA, fighting to get us more money and make sure that we don't get cut. So let's all bound together and hope that our champions in DC are able to come through and be successful and give us everything that we need to do. So just want to get you guys a really quick update of what we're looking at because we're still waiting on a new administrator from the presidential administration. Still haven't received any word on that. Our acting administrator is Robert Lightfoot, and he's been informing us of these decisions that have come down. So that is what we're looking at for now. NASA's actually, it fared well across other parts of the government that have been cut. It didn't get cut as much as some of the other things in there, but that's what we're looking at right now. It's not final. Don't worry about it. We still have a lot of work to do to go forward to actually get a final budget for this new era of space exploration.